Hello everyone, welcome back to Growing with the Gold. Once again, I'm Michael Beck here in our garden greenhouses and community garden in beautiful Blue Lake, California. We're moving into the sunny, warm, spicy, hot time of the year here, but we got a nice cool morning and this is a great time to try and get some of your garden chores done. We're gonna get some of our last hot weather crops planted outside before we move into replanting our inside, which we'll keep you updated on coming real soon. So we're gonna get the last of our corn planted. We got a couple 400-gallon pots here filled with the Royal Gold potting mix. It's a perfect start, nice light amendment to get these corn seeds sprouted and going well. And then we'll have to come in with some higher nitrogen fertilizer out of the Crown Jewels line to really give them that push, get them big and booming by that knee-high 4th of July deadline we're always hoping for with our corn crop. We got some planted about 2 weeks ago here of a different variety. We want to plant these at a different time because we don't want them to cross-pollinate with each other. So we've got these in, they've been planted for about 2 weeks. You can see they're coming up really nicely. We're gonna have these ones go in, get them watered in, and get some of that beautiful heirloom corn from Baker Seeds. All right, thanks for checking in once again with us to see why Royal Gold is the gold standard in gardening. We have our corn planted. I feel like summer is officially on the way. Thanks for checking in with us. We'll see you next time.